Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna tell about the emphysema a little bit, the type of questions asked in the multiple choice questions. Firstly, what is the definition of emphysema? Emphysema is a lung disorder which blocks the airflow. So, due to the blockage of the airflow, that means transportation of the oxygen and carbon dioxide between the lungs and the body, the respiration got difficult. Difficult respiration is the main symptom. So now we will discuss about the types. There are various types of emphysema. Firstly, there is central acinar. Central emphysema is mostly found in case of chronic bronchitis or with chronic bronchitis cases. This is mostly found in smokers, in coal miners, and in case of pneumoconiosis. Pneumoconiosis, in which various kinds of fibers got deposits in the lungs like silica, etc. So this topic is very much important. The central acinar type of emphysema is found with the chronic bronchitis in smokers, in coal miners, and in pneumoconiosis. Now we will come to the central acinar, means the center of the acinus is involved. As we know that this is the acinus structure, the alveoli. So this is called the acinus, and these are the alveoli. Now we will come to the pan-acinar. Pan-acinar means the whole of the acinus is involved. This is mostly found with the alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. This involves mostly the lower zone of lungs. Than the upper one. So in case of pan-acinar, the lower part of the lungs are involved than the upper one. Now we will say about the paraseptal emphysema. Paraseptal means distal acinars. In this case, the distal part, this is the proximal part, this is the distal part of the acinus. So distal part is involved. In case of the paraseptal, distal part is involved along with the pleura, perilobular septa, that may lead to the spontaneous pneumothorax. Spontaneous pneumothorax. Especially in case of young ones. That means the air in the pleural cavity is known as pneumothorax. So this is found with the paraseptal emphysema, in which the distal parts are involved and the perilobular septa of the lungs are involved. Now we will see the irregular or cicatricial emphysema. This happens only in case of the injury where scar has occurred. Scar develops from any of the scar may be due to any of the cause, and this is irregular one, can be anywhere in the whole lung cavity. Now the last type one is the mixed one, where two or more than two above conditions are present. So this was all about the emphysema and the types of the emphysema. Mostly the types are asked about, that this occurs due to which reason or which kind of disease is involved, etc. Thank you so much.